The information you will hear in this video has been prepared based on the patient information leaflet in order to inform Madecassol Ointment users. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Madecassol Ointment, which belongs to the group of dermatological medicines, is available in 40-gram aluminum tubes. The active ingredient of the medicine is the Centella asiatica plant, also known as gotu kola. Each gram of ointment contains 10 milligrams of active ingredient. You can find the list of excipients contained in the medicine at the end of the video. What is Madecassol ointment and what is it used for? Madecassol is a skin ointment used to support the repair of skin tissue. This medicine has wound-healing supportive properties and helps increase connective tissue formation. Madecassol is especially used to support wound healing, accelerate skin regeneration, and help repair irritated skin tissue. Madecassol is generally used for the following conditions: superficial skin wounds, small cuts, mild burns, skin cracks, suture scars, skin ulcers, irritated skin areas, nipple cracks that occur during breastfeeding, care after skin graft applications, skin sensitivity after epilation, laser treatments, or peeling procedures. Superficial scars formed after acne. How should Madecassol ointment be used? Madecassol is an ointment intended for external use only. Before application, the affected area should be cleaned and dried. Then the ointment should be applied in a thin layer to the problematic area. The frequency of use is generally once or twice daily. The duration of treatment may vary depending on the condition, the size of the wound area, and the skin's response to treatment. This medicine should not be used excessively without a doctor's recommendation. It is not recommended to apply this ointment to very large skin areas for a long period of time. Can Madecassol ointment be used on the face? Some people use this medicine on the face. It is especially preferred for skin irritation, dryness, peeling, and superficial marks left after acne. However, since the ointment has an oily structure, it should be used carefully, especially on oily and acne-prone skin. Using excessive amounts may cause clogged pores, increased oiliness, and new acne formation in some people. For this reason, it is recommended to apply it in a thin layer on the face, preferably at night. Is Madecassol used for acne treatment? Madecassol is not a medicine specifically developed for the treatment of active acne. However, it may be used as supportive care for redness, superficial scars, irritation, and skin sensitivity that occur after acne. Things you should know before using Madecassol include the following. If you are allergic to the active ingredient or any of the excipients contained in this medicine, it is not recommended to use it. Avoid contact of the medicine with the eyes. If it comes into contact with the eyes, rinse thoroughly with plenty of water. It should not be used on open, infected, or severely inflamed wounds without a doctor's recommendation. Due to its oily structure, it may cause clogged pores and acne formation in acne-prone skin. Consult your doctor before using this medicine during pregnancy. If applied to the breast area during breastfeeding, the area should be cleaned before nursing. Possible side effects that may occur with the use of Madecassol include the following: redness, itching, burning sensation, rash, irritation, skin sensitivity. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your opinions and experiences related to the use of this medicine in the comments section. Wishing you healthy days.